back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Frances. I make beauty, lifestyle, and a whole lot of other videos that you will definitely be interested in. So please do consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button down below and also hitting the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So today's video is an Ankara inspired makeup tutorial where I try to represent the colors on my Ankara scarf, representing it on my eyeshadow. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, kindly stay tuned. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. So first off, I went into the Eyelegthening concealer to apply it on my lids as my base for the eyeshadow work. Then I left it to dry a little bit, and then I went in with this dark blue eyeshadow color, you can see. Then to blend the edges out, I just used a very light orange. You might not see it. I'm just trying to blend out the edges of this blue. After which, I went in back with the blue to just mix everything in like so that there are no harsh lines, or rather harsh edges. I'm still trying to blend it and blend it all in. To cut my crease, I am using benign Glam white, and I'm just doing a half cut, not a full cut. I'm just doing a half cut crease like so. Then I'm using the blue I used earlier at the edges of the cut crease. I'm just using it so that I can begin the transition, so that everything will be smooth. There will be no harsh lines. I'm taking this sky blue, or let's say light blue, and I'm just tapping it into the outer corners of the cut crease, and I'm blending it in with the darker blue like so. I'm just tapping it into it, and then I'm blending. Then I'm taking this white color, just a matte color. I'm taking it and I'm tapping it at the inner corners of my eyes. I'm tapping it into it. I'm not just swiping. I'm kind of intentional here, making sure it stays so that it doesn't break or cause fallouts, kind of. Then I'm going back in to blend, reapplying the areas that I need to reapply. The light blue, the dark blue. I'm trying to blend everything in.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets.
To line my lids, I am using the Milion Pauline liner, and I'm doing it like so because I don't want it to stain my lashes. My lashes are super coily and it might stain it and then spoil my eyeshadow work. So that's what I'm doing like so. For my mascara, I'm using the Zaron Eyelegthening mascara, and I went to apply my lashes off camera. Now for the face, I cleaned it with wipes, and then I went in with Milk of Magnesia primer. I don't use it every time, but I really needed it to keep my foundation, or rather my makeup, for a long time, so that's why I applied it. For my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in truffle, and I'm using a damn beauty sponge, and I'm trying to blend everything into my skin like so. And the upper areas of my brows where I use a light concealer to highlight, I'm just trying to blend everything in, as you can see. To highlight, I am using the Eyelegthening concealer in Fawn, and I'm using a damn beauty sponge to blend the highlight into my skin.
I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
To contour my nose, I'm using a dark brown shade and I'm just applying it in the areas where I want my nose to come out properly, and then I'm blending it in with a blending brush like so. For my highlights, I'm using the brighter shades from this contour palette, and I'm just using it to set my highlighted areas.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections.
For my contour, I'm using a dark brown shade to contour my cheekbone, my forehead, and I've already contoured my nose. To set my entire face, I am using the Avour Cosmetics powder, mattifying powder in number 25. I tried to go for a natural look, like face look. I don't like the highlighter to be too bright or the foundation to be too bright. I want it to be very close to my skin tone. Let the eyeshadow do the talking or the lips do the talking. For my under eye, I went in with that dark blue I used earlier on, and then I also went in with the white so that it can bring out my eyes a little bit, kind of. So I can just open my eyes a little bit like so. As you can see, it's just opening my eyes. Then I went in with this Kiss Beauty white eyeliner, and I'm just using it on my eyes. Sorry if you guys were not seeing it, I'm really sorry about that. My bottom lashes, I'm using the same Zaron Eyelegthening mascara. For my blush, I'm using the blush I always use, the nameless one. And for my highlights, I'm going into this Zaron eyeshadow palette in Earth, and I'm taking a shimmer shade from it and I'm using it for my highlights. And then I'm using a flat brush to apply the highlights on my nose area like so, and I'm also going to apply it on my cheekbone. I've already done that actually. On my brow bone, my cupid's bow, and you'll see it actually. And my chin, yes, my chin. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you. To line my lips, I am using Jordana's pencil in Brown Rage. And then I'm going into this NYX lip stain, and I'm using it on my lips, after which I'm going in with gloss. And that's all for this look. I'm just doing finishing touches like so, and this is the final look, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, because subscribe, thank you. And also leave your comments in the comment section what you love most about this look. I love the eyes, like I love the eyes a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one.